Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a... Is AI really going to replace the job? Is the future already here? And is India leading the AI revolution? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going inside one of the biggest AI event of the year, AI Summit 2026. I took the metro and interchanged with the blue line, and after reaching the Supreme Court, I exit from gate number 3, and very near the gate number 10, I entry in the Bharat Mandapam through the verification, and I have also a quick QR code to after scanning this. And this is the outside view of the Bharat Mandapam, and where the very persons have to explore and learn. And that side have food stalls where you can eat foods. So here I click one to photos, and I go in the conference hall where like various conferences held in the small rooms and big rooms and also in the halls, and various speakers also came. So I go inside, and there's a very crowd inside the conference hall. I explored a lot of in the conference rooms, and there is a view of the conference. After I go to the upper floor to the stairs, and this is the view of next floor. And this is the ancient heritage of India, and it's in the very well in the Bharat Mandapam, and this is not touch, only you can see. After took a lift and go to the conference hall upper side. Here like TCS events held, and TCS like held and managing director also come, and assistant Vaishnav also giving the speech in the starting, and they also conduct a hackathon and giving laptop to students to participate in the event. After I go in the next block, we have various types of events, but entry when you have a first year register. So I click to go inside, and now I finally decide to in the AI summit where the a lot of countries have their AI building, and the people in the AI summit in India.
Quantum computing. Quantum computing. After exploring the other countries' AI, and I go to the next block where AI summit related so held, but for seeing this, they have a particular time and also particular book your slot, so you can go inside after checking your QR code. So I not book earlier, so I not go inside at I am reaching that time. And this is the view of upper side of the Bharat Mandapam. And also I exploring the other area, so I go to the hall number 2 where the all the companies have their AI product and real services. Also I explore and play games and a lot of enjoying. And this is like upgraded version of robotic talks and this one also. and Guru also advanced machines us in the healthcare service in the body of AI. So if you're watching the real futures AI product and services they build, so watch in the next video. I have also shared link in the description, so you can watch that video also, in which there have all the top big companies in GCC also have these AI products. So after in this night, we have exploring also other block also. So this is the night view of the Bharat Mandapam. And in the night, one has also have a programs related to cultural program. So I also participate and see that program in the night. So thank you for watching till end. We will meet in the next video.